What's up YouTube, my name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. So this was Jake's first mega ride, 2022, he's not going to forget it in a hurry. We all got sort of bogged down on, well it was late getting up to Ivy Bridge, so we had to join the convoy, it was all leaving. And the police literally cordoned off one of the carriageways to let everybody join, and then it's just like a mass bundle. More bikes than you can shake a stick at in every direction. We're now down at the Hoe, so this is where it all sort of finishes up. There's like, you go walking about and looking at bikes, there's one of every sort. I mean everything, from Harleys to Street Fighters to every make going. It's crazy. And it's all set against this beautiful backdrop. So down here, I don't know if you can see, about there, that's the waterfront. And that's where I used to do a load of dive training when I was a scuba instructor. We used to, you know, chuck them off the harbour basically. But it's really cool. Hundreds and thousands of bikes here. It's been a really good day. You couldn't have asked for better weather or anything. Jake absolutely loved it. He watched the last video and he picked up on the bit about I didn't think he liked corners much. So I did catch him on the dining room chair going like this, practicing his cornering. That was cool. I didn't say anything, but it was quite funny to watch. We did bump into a couple of people. Met Bear again. I think I first met him in KFC, waiting for me dinner. But he was here. There's a couple of fellas got in touch as well, saying we got street triples. Hopefully we'll see you there. And literally within 2 minutes of parking up when we got here, we met them. So this is them two. There's a couple of other fellas and stuff as well. I'll have to go through the camera. I didn't get pictures of everybody, but it was really cool to meet up with people and sort of, you know, put a face to a name and all that sort of stuff. Because these people have been watching and chipping in for ages. Someone's getting rowdy. Anyway, that's it. We're going to pack up and go home. I think we're having a barbecue tonight. Either way, we've got the weather for it. So anyway, thank you ever so much for watching. Do hope you're well and staying safe. And I want to go do some of that. Laters.